Here's what you need to know in 1 minute. Dubai chocolate, the viral sensation of a thick milk chocolate bar stuffed with pistachio cream, tahini, and crunchy katifi kunafa pastry, originated in Dubai in 2021. British-Egyptian entrepreneur Sarah Hamouda, pregnant at the time, craved a fusion of her childhood favorite Middle Eastern dessert kunafa with chocolate. She experimented at home, then partnered with Filipino pastry chef Noel Cadas Omamalan to perfect the recipe. In 2022, they launched Fixed Dessert Chocolatier and released the iconic bar named Can't Get Nafa of It, a playful pun blending Can't Get Enough of It with Arabic Nafa. Initially a small artisanal product sold limited quantities online in Dubai, it exploded globally in late 2023 when Ukrainian TikTok influencer Maria Vehera's ASMR cracking video amassed over 100 million views. The bright green pistachio filling, satisfying crunch, and exotic Dubai vibe fueled endless recreations, copycats, even from Lindt, and a worldwide pistachio shortage. Today, the original remains exclusive to the UAE, but its legacy defines modern viral desserts. If you want more, please like and subscribe to the channel.